Hello my friends, my name is Chabarnabe. Nongeye kubaha ikaze mu ishuri ryanjye aho tujye kurebera hamwe interrogative words. Interrogative words. Amagambo ushobora gukoresha urimo urabaza ikibazo umuntu runaka. Reka tutangire. Who, iyo bavuze who baba bavuga babaza nde cyangwa se umuntu. Urugero, who cooks at home? Who cooks at home? Ese ninde uteka mu rugo? Who cooks at home? Who cooks at home? Who cooks at home? Ushobora kuvuga ngo my mother, kuko urimo urakubaza umuntu. My mother cooks at home. Cooks at home. Mama ateka mu rugo. Urimo urakubaza umuntu. Who is she? Ese uriya ninde? She is my sister. Ni sister wanjye cyangwa se mushiki wanjye. Now, iya kabiri, where ikoreshwa urimo urabaza ahantu hehe. Urugero, where do you live? Where do you live? Ese utuye hehe? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Ese utuye hehe? You can say I live in Kayonza. I live in Kayonza. Ntuye muri Kayonza. Where do you live? Hehe. Where are you going? Ese ugiye hehe? I am going to the market. Ngiye mu isoko. Where do you live? Utuye hehe? I live in Kayonza. So dukoresha where cyangwa se ubaza ukoresheje where irimo urashaka kumenya ahantu runaka. Now iya gatatu, when ni ryari ushaka kumenya igihe. When do you sleep? Ese usinzira ryari cyangwa se uryama ryari? When do you sleep? Now you can reply and say I sleep at 7 p.m. I sleep at 7 p.m. Ndyama saa moya zuzuye. I sleep at 7 p.m. When do you sleep? Ese uryama ryari? When do you sleep? When do you go to school? Ese ujya ku ishuri ryari? When do you go to work? Ese ujya ku kazi ryari? So iyo babajije when ni ryari. When do you sleep? I sleep at 7 p.m. cyangwa se 7 o'clock. Now, what ni iki? Iki cyangwa se ni iki? Uri kubaza ikintu mu by'ukuri. Now, what do you eat? Ese urya iki? What do you eat? Ese urya iki? You can say I eat spaghetti. I eat spaghetti. Super, if it is written like this. I eat spaghetti. Ndya macaroni. Macaroni bita spaghetti cyangwa se I eat rice. What do you eat? What is your name? Witwa nde? So aya ni amagambo ane twigiye hamwe ushobora gukoresha urimo urabaza umuntu. Who, where, when, what. Who cooks at home? Ninde uteka mu rugo? Where do you live? Ese utuye hehe? When do you sleep? Ese uryama ryari? What do you eat? Ese urya iki? Amagambo namwe mujye muyakoresha murimo murabaza ibibazo. Ikindi kandi, if you like this video, you can subscribe, you can share, you can even like this video so that you can motivate us to do more fun and helpful video like this one. Thank you very much. Mushaka kwiga icyongereza umunsi ku munsi twandike kuri izi nimero hanyuma tugufashe kwiga icyongereza umunsi ku munsi nawe twigane, and I can assure you that by the end of this month you will be able to speak English very fluent. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Subscribe.